A lot of times I've used mantras in training or in competition in order to drown that voice out. So I use one if I'm in a bad position, the bottom of mount or something, I'll say, I'm in control. I'm in control. And I'm emphasizing the control. Like they're not in control, I'm in control. And it really works. I mean, the feeling of not being in control is a fundamental feeling that can stimulate a stress response in your sympathetic nervous system, and it can make you start to panic, and you can freeze. So your freeze is your first response, which isn't going to help you. But when I have that I'm in control, it's almost like a car alarm that's so loud it drowns out that negative voice, and I can't hear the negative voice. And I say it with emotion, and I repeat it again and again and again. So there's no physical space for that negative voice to come in. And I find that really effective for me. It really works.
Yeah, it's good. I'm thinking you have to keep, because my negative voice would probably start arguing back. I'd just be like, I'm going to pass. Like, no, you're not going to pass. Like,
don't think. Shh.
Yeah.
And you got to find
drown it out.
Right. You have to find the mantra that works for you, because I used to have another one that when I was passing, I would say to myself, nobody can stop my pass. Nobody can stop my pass. And I would just go, 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 go. And that was pretty effective. And I told one of the guys at our academy to do that. And he goes, oh, but there are people that can stop my pass. He just took it too literally. And I'm like, so you got to come up with something else that's going to work for you that fits your belief
Almost
system.
nobody can stop me.
Right.
I'm probably
the vast majority
pass.
of people can't stop
I have
my
a
pass.
good chance of passing.
That's not an effective mantra. Yeah. And they often
I
say,
might pass.
Yeah, that you can't use the negative, but I would, and it works for me. So you got to figure out what's going to work for you, I guess.